Hello children, I am your Lavanya teacher of first class mathematics. What is the subject? Mathematics. Say spelling, mathematics spelling. Mathematics. Mathematics. See children, take out your mathematics textbook and pencil. Open your page number 65. Page number 65. Subtraction of numbers up to 9. See children. Say subtraction spelling. subtraction. Subtraction. numbers. Numbers up to 9 only. Subtraction of numbers up to 9. Observe the following picture. Answer the given question orally. See here, children. See this picture. See. What are they? The animals only. Animals. Which animals are there? Elephants, rabbits, monkeys, squirrels, giraffe, snake, birds, tortoise, and one pond is there, and trees. See children, now you observe children. See here, elephants and rabbits, monkeys, okay, all animals are there in the picture. Some animals are there. So now asking question, page number 65. How many elephants are there? How many elephants are there? Let's now count it. How many elephants? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many elephants? 4 elephants. Let's now write. How many elephants? First one, 4 elephants. See, elephant is big. Big only. Here some small animal is there. Which one is this? Which animals? Animal. Rabbit. How many rabbits are there? Let's now count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many rabbits are there? 5. How many rabbits are there? How many rabbits? 5 rabbits. 5 rabbits. How many rabbits are more than that of elephants? How many more than that elephants? Rabbits have 5. Elephants have 4. So how many more? 1. 1 is more. How many monkeys are less than that of squirrels? How many monkeys are less? Less than squirrels. First of all, see, count. Squirrels count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many squirrels are there? 7. Here. Monkeys only. So how many monkeys are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 monkeys and 7 squirrels. So how many monkeys are less than that squirrels? How many less than 2 monkeys? So 1 monkeys are less than that of squirrels. Next, how many turtles are more than that giraffes? See, How many turtles are more than that giraffe? How many having giraffe? Two giraffes having here. How many giraffes having? Two. Here. How many turtles are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Once, let's now count. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 turtles is there. 8 turtles and only 2 giraffes. How many turtles are more? Remaining 6 only. 6 turtles more. How many snakes are less than that of birds? How many snakes are less than that birds? See here, one snake only. How many snakes are there? Only one. See, observe the snake. Here, how many birds are there? 1, 2, 3. How many birds are there? 3 birds. So, how many snakes are less than that of birds? How many snakes are less than that birds? 2. 2 snakes are less than that of birds. Let's now complete this box. Completed, children? Page number 65. Completed? Okay. Now, next page. See page number 66. Observe the subtraction of numbers shown below. Find the remaining things. One example is given. See here, one example is given only. So, how many having here? This boy having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 having from 5. He subtracted 2. How many subtracted? 2. See here. In his hand 2, how many having? 1, 2. 2 is subtracted. Now remaining how many? 1, 2, 3. 3 is remaining. 3 is remaining only. Okay, same here also. See. Do the following subtraction as above. Write the correct numbers in the boxes. See, what is this? Mangoes only. How many mangoes are there? Here, how many mangoes are there? Let's now count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many? 6 mangoes. Let's now write here 6. So, how many is subtracted? You are subtracted. How many is taking? 2. 1, 2. How many is taking? 2. 2 is subtracted. 2 is subtracted. So, how many having total? 6. So, how many is subtracted? 2. He is taking 2 only. So, remaining. See, less only. How many having remaining mangoes? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 mangoes only remains. 4 mangoes only remains. Understand, children? Now, this one see. Observe the subtraction shown below. What is this? These are flowers only. How many flowers having total? 1, 2, 3. How many flowers? 3 flowers. Here writing 3. Here one flower will plucked only, okay? One is subtracted. So minus 1, remaining 2. Understand, children? Subtraction. See, this one is subtraction symbol. This is subtraction symbol. This is equals to, this is minus. See, children, now page number 67. Look at the following pictures. Count the things separately. Write the correct numbers in the blank boxes as shown in the example. See, how many balls are there total? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Balls only. How many balls? 5. How many subtracted here? 2. 2 is subtracted. So 5 minus 2. This is called minus. 5 minus 2. So remaining how many? Remaining balls. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Here write 3. Understand? Now, oh, what is this? You know this? Cheeks. See. See, how many cheeks are there in this box? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 cheeks. How many cheeks? 4. So, one is separated only. One is subtracted. 1 is subtracted. So, remaining how many? 1, 2, 3. 3 remaining. Here, flowers only, red flowers. So, how many flowers are there in this total box? Let's now count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Total how many flowers are there? 9 flowers. So here minus subtracted only. How many is separated here? Subtracting. 1, 2, 3, 4. See, count it, children. There are total 9 flowers are there. So 4 are subtracted. See, 9 minus 4. So remaining flowers how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 here only given. So let's now write here 5. What is this? Mango fruit. You like, all of you? Okay. See, children, how many mangoes are there in this box? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many mangoes? 6. 6 mangoes. 3 mangoes are subtracted here. How many mangoes are subtracted? 1, 2, 3. 3 mangoes are subtracted. Remaining how many? 3. Here given only 3. Understand? So write, children. Whatever I am saying, you write. Completed, children? Good. Now next page. See, next page only. Look at the picture. Count them. Write their correct numbers in small blank boxes. They're given pictures. See, example. So, flowers are there. So many. How many? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 flowers are there. Here, no flowers. So, that's why I will keep 0. Here having. So, 1 also not subtracted. Anything not subtracted. That's why this one only came here. Same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here, what is this? umbrellas. How many umbrellas are there? 2. 2 umbrellas. So here not subtracted. 1 also not subtracted. Anything not there means we keep 0. 2 minus 0. Which one will come? Whatever having that number only. 2. Not taking anyone also. Here 3 flowers. How many? 3 flowers. Here also not taking one also. Remaining 3. 1, 2, 3. Here crows. How many crows are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 crows. So 0. Here will come 4. So let's now write. Write the correct numbers in the blank boxes based on subtraction. According to the picture you saw above. Here given example 7 minus 0 equals to 7. 7 minus 0 equals to 7. A question. You are only say A1 what? Umbrellas is there. See. 2 minus 0 equals to 2. 2 minus 0 equals to 2. Same B1 also. 3 minus 0 equals to 3. 3 minus 0 equals to 3. 4 minus 0 equals to 4. So understand children, 0 is subtracted from any number, we get same number only. 0 is subtracted from any number, we get the same number. Understand? We get the same number. Next page. Look at the pictures. Count them. Write the correct numbers in the blank boxes. See. Oh, kites. Total how many kites? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total 5 kites are there, but 3 is one box. 4, 5 minus 3 equals to how many is remaining? 2. 2. 5 minus 3 remaining 2. See here. Total how many cups are there? Jugs are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 jugs minus 1. So remaining how many? 1, 2, 3. Here write 3. 4 minus 1, 3. Total how many mangoes are there? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how many subtracted? 2. Remaining 4. Here also same. Here total how many having? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total 8. How many subtracted? Separated? 4. So 8 minus 4 remaining 1, 2, 3, 4. Here write 4. See now. Here trees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Total how many trees are there? 7. But where having box? Total box only subtracted only. 7 minus 7. Total box will be subtracted. So how many having? 0. In one tree also not there. All will be subtracting. So now 7 minus 7, 0. See children now? Understand? Write this. Complete it, okay?